Okay, hi guys. So in Chili Hunter, what we really want to do is to make your job much easier and to save a lot of time. So our new feature in Chili Hunter is Autoscan, and what Autoscan can do for you, it can find very good hot selling profitable items while you sleep. Okay, so you can just run the auto scan. It is fully automatic and you can go to sleep, and when you wake up the next day you are going to have a lot of great items to sell on eBay. So let's see how you can do this very easily. I go to Amazon and then I click on Autoscan. Okay, and the first thing I need to do is to give Chili Hunter, or to make a list of sellers, or a list of my competitors. So each time you go to eBay and you find something interesting, you find some interesting seller, you find some interesting competitor, you find some interesting product, okay, that is selling on eBay, you can take this seller's name, copy, you go to Chili Hunter and you add this seller. Okay, you just need to choose which eBay site you are working with. So if you are working on eBay US, you can choose US. If you are working on eBay UK, you can choose UK, or Germany, on France, Italy, Spain. For example, this one is from US. Okay, so I just found something interesting on eBay. I take this seller's name, copy, go back to Chili Hunter and add this seller to my list. Okay, now as you can see, I have a very big list of sellers, right? Some of them work, look on listed in column. Some of them sell on eBay US, some of them sell on eBay Great Britain, United Kingdom, and some of them make sales on other eBay sites. You can see it is a big list. I have a lot of sellers. Okay, and that's it. That's the only thing I need to do. Now, when I go to sleep, Chili Hunter is going to scan all these sellers. It can take some time. Okay, it is not 1 minute and not 2 minutes. You need to give the software some time, but I can guarantee that in few hours the first results are already going to pop up and to generate. So my advice for you is to make your list, right? And you can just close Chili Hunter and go drink coffee or go to work, right? And when you wake up, or when you come back from your work, you go to Chili Hunter again, right? And you click results. And meanwhile, Chili Hunter scanned all these sellers and found all their top selling items. And here we go. You have a list. This is only page number 1 out of 8, right? So I have, as you can see, a lot of different products, right? And Chili Hunter also compares all these products to Amazon, right? It can compare all the products to Amazon. So if you're dropshipping from Amazon, you're going to see the comparison. And you can also use table filters. So for example, maybe I want to see only items that were sold a minimum 1 time last 7 days. Okay, and I want to see only items from US site, because if you remember, I had my list of sellers that contained sellers from US and sellers from UK. So I want to see only items from US that were sold minimum 1 time last 7 days. I click apply. Okay, so I'm going to open some products now and just let's see what will happen. Okay, so for example, some bedspread set. Okay, on eBay 61 sold for $61. On Amazon the same one 47. Okay, on eBay some can holder 29, on Amazon 21, something for barbecue 17, and the same one on Amazon $12.99. And you can see I have a lot of products like this. Okay, so guys, if you are dropshipping from Amazon, this is like your dream feature that came true, because you don't need to do anything. You just need to make a list of sellers, a list of your competitors, 20 competitors, 50 competitors, 100 competitors, and Chili Hunter is going to scan them over and over and over again every few days, and it will show you their best selling items. Okay, so it is very easy, and of course each time you can see exactly the price and estimated profit and number of views and when it was last sold and how many times it sold last week and how many times it was sold last month or last 7 days and last 30 days. Okay, so it is very easy. You also have these table filters where you can filter those items. Okay, for example, if you want to look for items that were sold 5 times last 7 days, okay, you can do it, or whatever filters you want to choose. Okay, so items that are interesting for you and you want to sell them to, you can list them. You can export those items to the to favorite items, to export items folder, and we are going to have different video explaining about how to work with export items. Okay, so for example, if the first 3 items you want to list them on your eBay account, you can export those items. If you want, you can delete the items. Okay, if you find some items that are not interesting for you and you're not willing to use them or sell them, you just click delete and that's it. Okay, this item goes away forever. Right? So table filters. Okay, and also each item on the left side you have this small button and you can export each item. You can look for competitors on eBay. So if you click competitors, Chili Hunter will show you who sells the same product or similar products on eBay. Okay, you can also check at other suppliers. You can try to find similar items at Walmart or Kmart or Target or Overstock or different suppliers. Okay, sometimes you're going to see exactly the same product, and sometimes you're not going to find exactly the same product, but there are going to be similar lookalike products. Okay, and you have also update item button. So sometimes it happens very rarely if the information Chili Hunter shows about the products is not correct. For example, number of sales is not updated or whatever. You can click update item and it is going to be updated in real time, but 99% all the information you're going to see correct and real time information. Okay, also we have the settings tab. So what you can do in the settings tab, you can tell Chili Hunter in advance what kind of products you're looking for. So maybe you're looking for only for products that were sold last week or last month. Maybe you're looking only for products that were sold with a minimum profit of $1. Are you looking only for Amazon or maybe only Prime products, or maybe you're not dropshipping from Amazon and you just want to see, okay, which products are good sellers on eBay, right? And that's it. And you click update filters, okay? And when Chili Hunter is going to scan all your sellers list, it will look for the exact settings that you selected. Okay guys, so it is very easy. We made this feature to save you a lot of time, to be fully automatic, and we really believe that a good eBay and market research software should really make your job much easier. So again, what you need to do, just make this list of good sellers you found on eBay, and that's it. And Chili Hunter is going to scan them over and over and over again, and each time one of these sellers is going to list new item or is going to sell new item, Chili Hunter is going to let's see, spy and catch this sold item and show you all the best-selling items in the results tab. Okay, so again, every few days those sellers are scanned and all their new sold items are going to be catched up for you. I'm sure you're going to love this feature. You must try it and see how it works, and you're really going to enjoy this one.